तप्त जीवनम कवि विरीडितम कल्मषापहम श्रवण मंगलम श्रीमदातकम भूरे गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जनाः. Today's topic is basically the significance of Radhashtami. Radhashtami is coming up. And who are the most closest to Radharani? Lalita, Vishakha, Tungavidya, Chitrasakhi, Champakalata, Indulekha, Rangadevi and Sudevi, the Ashtasakhis. So when you come to listen to Katha, Krishna Katha, सब काम छोड़ के जब व्यक्ति कथा सुनने के लिए बैठता है ना, तव कथामृतम. So the gopis are saying, स्वयं किशोरी जी कह रही हैं, राधा रानी is saying there is nothing above कृष्ण कथा. इससे बढ़कर अमृत नहीं है संसार में. There is no nectar which is above Krishna's katha. Nothing in the world. Some months back there was Kumbh Mela. It came after 144 years. Where was the Kumbh Mela? Prayagraj. So if we see what is this Kumbh Mela all about? What does everyone want to do? They want to take a dip in the Triveni Sangam, not only Ganga. Triveni Sangam. Why? Because during those period of time, the Amrit has dropped. Right? But how many of you were not able to go to Prayagraj for Kumbh Mela? Tali mat bajao. So sometimes people feel really sad. Oh, I did not get an opportunity to go to Kumbh Mela and to take that Amrit Snan. Srila Prabhupada states in the Srimad Bhagavatam, as soon as you listen to Krishna Katha, Tava Kathamritam, this Amrit, this nectar, cannot be compared to any other nectar in the world. Baki sare Amrit phike hain, they're very inferior in front of Krishna's Katha. This Amrit you can gain, you can attain anywhere. By the blessings of Prabhupada, this Amrit is being distributed right now in New Jersey. I came from New York, I was in Austin. In the whole world, this Amrit is being dropped by the blessings of His Divine Grace. A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. माताएं थोड़ी ढीली हैं. On a lighter side, जैसे कि माताओं की आवाज घर में ज्यादा आती है. So Tava Kathamritam, there is no superior nectar that you can attain. This is it. Who's saying this? XYZ person saying this, maybe you won't take it so seriously. Imagine if the Honorable Prime Minister or the Honorable President is saying something. The Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji kuch keh rahe hain, so it has some weight, right? Some XYZ person is saying something, who cares? Tava Kathamritam is quoted by the gopis. कि इससे बढ़कर अमृत नहीं है. First, Tava Kathamritam tapta जीवनम. Everyone is suffering. We think we are enjoying in this material life, but Srila Prabhupada gives this classical example, like the person seated on the ass and he has like a carrot dangling in front of the गधे के सामने गाजर रख दिया है, and now as soon as the ass tries to get the gajar, the carrot, what does the person do? He pulls the carrot back. So the person thinks, अरे नहीं, अभी खाने को मिलेगा. I just one more step ahead, one more job, one more promotion, one more company, एक और. So Prabhupada is saying people have become like asses. They're working day and night, and Maya from behind is pulling the carrot. And we think, no, keep on going. And Adi Devik, Adi Bhautik, Adi Adhyatmik, जो कष्ट हैं, those pain, the miseries that we are going through, Someone is suffering from some health problems. Someone is suffering from financial problems. Someone is suffering from emotional problems, stress, depression, anxiety, right? And if you close your eyes in samadhi for a second, one person will come right in front of you who has been born to give you only problems. आपका दुश्मन सामने आ जाएगा. And if that's not enough, even a small fly comes and bites you, and then you go to the doctor, you get some fever, and then the doctor says, "Arey, you have dengue." So how will you escape from Adi Devik, Adi Bhautik, and Adi Adhyatmik? Tava Kathamritam, nectar is Krishna Katha, Tapta Jivanam. If you want to be saved from all these miseries, all you have to do is just sit and listen to Katha. Tava Kathamritam, Tapta Jivanam. Kavi Viriditam Kalmashapam. All the kalmash ka nash karne wali katha hai. Shravana Mangalam. What will happen by coming to the temple? Srila Prabhupada's temples are not just for coming and ringing the bell, thoda prasad chadaya, Jai Ram Ji ki chalo ghar. No. Srila Prabhupada made temples to have this beautiful community so that we can all come together. Sunday Love Feast. Sit down together, ask each other, Machchit Bhatakat Pranaha Bodhayantas Parasparam. You're coming to the temple not talking to each other, some Prabhu is there, some Mataji is there, there is no interaction, as in, how is it going on, kaisi chal rahi hai bhakti? Machchit Bhatakat Prana, that is the life of a devotee. If a devotee is not interested in listening to Krishna Katha, then he is not even stepped 1 foot in bhakti, because that's the neem. Krishna ki katha bhakto ki saanse hain. Just as you take a fish out of the water, it will die. Give him any opulence. If you don't have katha, if you do not spend some time of the day listening to katha, either morning class, evening class, you at least spend 1 hour, 15 minutes studying Srila Prabhupada's books. He put his blood and sweat to write these books throughout the night. If that taste is not coming, then we need to reflect. That is why Prabhupada kept Sunday Love Feast. Okay, we understand that all the devotees are not able to because everyone's busy in their own lives, but yes, take out 1 day, take out 1 hour or 2 hours and come for a Sunday Love Feast festival. जो आप अभी आए हो, that's for your own self. What will happen by listening to Katha, by coming to such programs? Shravana Mangalam. रामायण में आता है. मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी. भूल गए अमेरिका में. राम सिया राम जय जय राम. राम सिया राम. Sometimes people say, "Oh, I was just so close. I was about to get the job, but my luck is not. मेरा luck नहीं है, मेरा साथ नहीं दे रहा, right? I don't have the fortune." Imagine the glories of Krishna Katha. Shravana Mangalam. The gopis are saying, आपके जीवन में मंगल आ जाएगा. You will become very fortunate just by listening to Krishna's glories and Katha. Shravana Mangalam. Shrimadatakam. Someone suffering from financial problems, don't worry. Shri means Lakshmi. Shri stands for Lakshmi. Right now, everyone is busy in worshipping Lakshmi. Hey Lakshmi Maiya, पार कर दो हमारी नैया. मैं खिलाऊं सेवैया, दे दे रुपैया. Understand? So right now everyone is running after Lakshmi, Lakshmi, Lakshmi. पैसा 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 करते हैं तो पैसे पे ही मरते हैं. Prabhupada used to give this classical example. It's like a couple has come to your home. Husband and wife have come to your home, and now the other person, he's staring at the wife. कैसे and he's asking the wife, what would you like to eat? He's talking to the wife, but he's ignoring the husband. Now a wife who's very chaste in character, she will not like it, right? ये कैसा आदमी है, मेरे से बात कर रहा है लेकिन मेरे पति को इग्नोर कर रहा है. Yes or no?
Yes.
You agree with me?
Yes.
Yeah. So when we ignore Narayan and we just run after Lakshmi, you think Lakshmi will be satisfied? You think Lakshmi will be pleased? You may be externally very rich, but when Lakshmi comes without Narayan, she is seated on an owl, Ullu, and she makes the person an owl. I'm not saying anything from my own. Everything is from our scriptures, our acharyas. Ullu bana denge aapko. What does that mean? It means you will not use your money properly. Either your money will be used in intoxication, in alcohol, either in gambling, either in illicit sex, either in meat eating. The whole point is money will be misutilized. When Narayan is not in the center, when Krishna is not in the center, and when Lakshmi comes with Narayan, she comes on. तुक्के मार रहे हो ना? कुछ भी बोल देते. Are you sure? हाँ तो पता है. Of course, Narayan comes on. बोलो ना. Narayan comes on. Garuda. And Garuda represents wisdom. So when Lakshmi and Narayan both come, then wisdom comes. Then you don't just waste money here and there. Then you understand Lakshmi is Narayan's belonging and should be used in her service. And that is what Srila Prabhupada did, and that is what Hanumanji did. That is the difference. Ravan took Lakshmi away from Narayan, was killed. Hanuman, he went through so much austerity, trying to get Lakshmi back so that she can come back to Narayan. Srila Prabhupada in 1966 left Sri Vrindavan Dham, Radha Damodar temple. This whole ISKCON movement has been made on the tears of Prabhupada. Prabhupada used to cry, रातों को रोते थे प्रभुपाद जी. No one used to be there. All the Brajvasis of those times, they recall in the glories of Prabhupada. सिर्फ रोने की आवाज आती थी राधा दामोदर के मंदिर से. There was one man who used to be crying and sweeping in front of Srila Rupa Goswami's Samadhi, begging, my dear Rupa Goswami, when will that day come when I will be able to accomplish the orders of my spiritual master? Because of Prabhupada's tears, today we have Shri Shri Radha Shyam Sundar in New Jersey. There is so much to say. So, I'm very, very happy to see such a big crowd, basically, such big numbers here who have come here to listen to Katha. It's not so easy to have taste for Katha. So people come to the Katha or starting they sit like this. After like 15 minutes, after 20 minutes, after like half an hour, क्या हो रहा है? खत्म क्यों नहीं हो रहा? Maybe after 1.5 hours, बंद हो गई क्या कहीं? Prasadam time, Prabhu Prasadam time. And someone will say from the audience only, Prabhu Prasadam started. Let's go. So you don't get this taste so easily to listen to Krishna Katha. But if you have developed that taste, even Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, while initiating Abhay, he said, oh, I recall Abhay, he likes to listen to Katha. And because he likes to listen to Katha, I will initiate him. Those who hear attentively can preach forcefully. अगर आप ध्यान से सुनोगे नहीं तो आप बोलोगे क्या? The 9 devotional practice starts from Shravanam. If Shravanam is not good, your Kirtanam will not also be good. Kirtanam means when you're chanting. Prabhu, we are trying. Prabhu, we are trying. We are trying. It's been 20 years. We are on 2 rounds. We are still trying. It's because we are not hearing. Shravanam acha nahi hai. So His Grace Madhupati Prabhuji has given me a very, very exalted topic to speak on. Even the great Vaishnava Acharyas such as Shukadev Goswami ji also does not speak much on Srimati Radharani. And I still have the audacity to be sitting here in front of you and trying to speak something for my purification, because I have been instructed by the senior Vaishnavas. So may the right words come out at the right time, and may I be able to purify myself by the glories of Srimati. Are you interested and excited to listen to the glories of Srimati Radharani? Say Hari Bol! More chahiye, Hari Bol! Mataji's Hari Bol! Not up to the mark. Hari Bol! Abhi bhi nahi maan raha. Hari Bol! Mataji pata kya kar rahe? Hari Bol! The arms are coming out, but the voice is not coming out. Sometimes people go to Kirtan Melas and they just sit like this. Trance. नहीं भाई trance में मत जाओ. बोलो. What is more important? Speak. Chant the mantra. I see people saying, alright, now I am the Avajut Brahmana. No, Prabhupada used to say, chant, chant, chant. And people used to say, so now let's pick up our hands up in the air. Prabhu, please, can you take a video? I will post this on my social media. We will show how powerful the New Central Jersey devotees की आवाज कितनी ऊंची है. Harisuru Prabhu, please stand up here. It's okay. It's family time. Prabhu, you make video like this straight. It has to go on Instagram. Prabhu, they introduced me as a social influencer, so something has to be there. Right? And दुखी मत लगो. हाँ, ये देखो. खुश हो, प्रभुपाद जी के पास आए हो. Okay, raise your hands up loudly. We will chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra twice. Okay? 1. No, not like this. Like this hard as. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Shri Shri Radha Shyam Sundar ki jai. Shri Shri Gaur Nitai ki jai. Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Maharani ki jai. Jai Guru Srila Prabhupada ki jai. ISKCON New Jersey ki jai. Khatam ho gayi video. Okay, thank you. Go now, you can check it out on my Instagram. Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradhari Jaya Gopi Jana is the word. This is what he sang, and I'm singing right now. Krishna, 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 Kali Ma. Krishna, 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 Kali Ma. Rama, 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 Rakshama. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, One last minute, and we'll start the katha. Please try to concentrate on every single mantra, every single sound that you hear, and we will chant together. This age is the age of Sankirtan together. So if someone is standing right there and you have to call him, Rahul, come. And you shout from here, Rahul. He might hear you, he might not hear you. But if all the people shout together, Rahul घबरा रहा है. Rahul will have to listen, right? That is the power of Sankirtan, the unity. Now one last time, let's chant one Mahamantra together. Focus your mind, focus your heart, and beg in the lotus feet of Radha Shyam Sundar that we may be able to relish their katha. Okay? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Jagadguru Srila Prabhupada ki Jai, समस्त तत्त्व वैष्णव भक्त वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल, हरि बोल. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्. नष्टप्रायस्व भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्तवृंद. हरे कृष्णा हरे Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Vanchakalpatarubhasya kripa sindhueva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavibhyo namo namah mukam karoti vachalam pangulangayate girim यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदिनतारिणं परमानन्दमाधवं श्रीचैतन्य ईश्वरम् हरे कृष्णा
Hare Krishna.
So we are here to understand the position of Srimati Radharani such a tattva which is not even being able to understood by Krishna himself. We are having a very hard time understanding Krishna right now because Bahunam Janmanamante Jnanam Varmam Prapadyate Vasudevam Sarvamiti Sahamatma Sudurlabha. Durlabha means very rare. What's your name, Prabhu? Such a devotee is very rare. Clap for Om Prabhu. सहमात्मा सब दुर्लभ ऐसा व्यक्ति ढूंढना जो ये समझ गया कि कृष्णस्तु भगवान वेरी रेयर राइट नाउ पीपल आर दे हैव देयर लेग्स एवरीवेयर दे मीट अ राम भक्त श्री राम दे बिकम राम भक्त दे मीट सम माता का भक्त माता बड़ी है राइट दे मीट हनुमान जी का भक्त जय बजरंगबली हनुमान जी महाराज की The Gita is stating this, I am not stating this. Bahunam, you might not believe me, you might not like me, but you cannot deny Bhagavad Gita. If you are a Sanatani, there is nothing above Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavad. If any Sanatani is speaking outside these two books, he is not a proper Sanatani. Bahunam, Janmanam Ante. The Bhagavad Gita states, many years, many lifetimes, Bahunam, कई जन्म निकल जाते हैं. If Brahma could not understand Krishna, वो भी विमोहित हो गए ना. We have Brahma Vimohan Leela. Indra could not understand Krishna, there was this Govardhan Leela. Indra thought that I am the Jew, I am the controller. Krishna said, excuse me, भूल गए हो क्या? बाप कौन है? बच्चा है, बच्चा रहे. I cannot even pick up this pillow for 7 days and 7 nights. Maybe not even 7 minutes. My hand will... Imagine I have to give the whole class like this. कैसे हो सब ठीक हो? Krishna picked up Govardhan Hill 7 days, 7 nights. And he didn't say, excuse me, I have to go to the washroom. थोड़ा अभी आता हूँ. ऐसा होता पूरा गोवर्धन नीचे आ जाता. When Krishna was lifting the Govardhan Hill, every single second his beauty was increasing. If we have to pick some weight as people go to the gym, weight उठाते हैं ना, all these facial expressions change. You know how big how big Govardhan Hill was? It is stated in the scriptures, before even the mountains used to fly. Even mountains used to fly. That's a whole different story when Indra then cut the wings of the mountains. When Govardhan is not some normal, mountain, Giriraj. Raj means king. Giri means the king of the mountains. Namaste Girirajaya Shri Govardhana Namine Ashesha Kalesha Nashaya Paramanandadayine. If you have Shalagram, if you have Govardhan Shila in your homes, you have to remember this shloka. This is how Govardhan is worshipped. Anyways, so Govardhan, when he used to fly, it is stated from the earth all the way up to the sky. When Arun was driving Surya's chariot, sun god, when he was sitting on his chariot, and Arun is driving his chariot, Govardhan was so huge that the horses used to eat the grass of Govardhan. And our little Krishna, how old was Krishna when he picked up the Govardhan hill? Yes. Yes, just 7, just 7. Any 7-year-old here? Anyone close to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? How old are you, Prabhu? 12. 12! Get up. Get up, Prabhu, get up. Padharo. Idhar come here, Prabhu. So nice. This is a 12-year-old boy. We are talking about 7. Imagine Krishna's beauty. What's your name, Prabhu? Abhiram Prabhu ki ताली बजाएं. Thank you. Ramp walk done. Good. Very good. So we are talking about 7. The point I am trying to make is, it is not easy to understand Krishna. For people, Krishna is maybe a politician. Oh, देखो कैसे महाभारत करवा दिया राम ने कौरव और पांडव को लड़वा दिया. Right? Some people think Krishna is some politician. Some people think Krishna is a yogi mystic. He had some, powers and, Krishna. Otherwise, Krishna is just one of us, man. Come on. What? How can he be God? He was born in the jail. How can he be God? He was born in the mother's womb. Janma karma. Shamit divyam evam yoviti. Tyaktva deham punor janma neiti mamiti. So Arjuna, my dear Arjun, just by understanding my appearance, we just celebrated Janmashtami. Janmashtami is just not for Bola Krishna Kanhaiya Lal Ki. It is for that, but more importantly, we should understand that there is no truth beyond Krishna. That should be completely, वो बिल्कुल पक्का faith होना चाहिए in your heart. If there is even 1% of doubt, that is the meaning of Bahunam Janmanam. Manushyanam Sastreshu Kaschid Yadati Siddhaye. Only some person can understand me, Arjun, and out of those who try to understand me and now they've got to understood me, it is very difficult for them to continue on the path of sadhana bhakti because my Maya is not so easy to overcome. They start chanting when they come in Krishna consciousness, 16 rounds in Brahma Murta, and थोड़ा साल जैसे बढ़ जाता है, फिर शयन आरती में भी नहीं आ पा रहे हरि बोल. So it's not, Prabhu, I need a watch here, I don't have any time, so I can keep a track all the time. Where is it? I wish I had such good. I said, 7:30 बजने वाले हैं क्या? 7:23. So I have to go till 7:30 only, na? Hari bol! Oh my God, I should start my lecture. I didn't even start my lectures. Bahunam Janmanam lag jayenge. 7:30 is a wrap, right? What do we say in 7:30? Anyways, try my... Huh? ये आकाशवाणी कहाँ से आ रही है? Is it cross-checked with Madhupati? No, you randomly... I will not be allowed to come again, Prabhu. Oh. Okay. Anyways, we just short. How short should we do it? Anyways. So the point is, it's very difficult to understand Krishna, and Krishna says in the Gita, Vedesche sarve aham sarvam eva vedya vedyantakrit vedavid eva chaham, that I am the compiler of the Vedas. Actually, I am Ved only, and I am the knower of the Vedas, and there is nothing beyond me to understand. And then, last but not the least, Krishna Mande. Krishna Mande. So that Krishna Mande Jagat Guru, जो पूरा ब्रह्मांड का गुरु है, he cannot understand Radharani. And we think just by saying Radhe, Radhe. It is very good to say Radhe, Radhe. People in Vrindavan say Radhe, Radhe. But what is even more important is what Prabhupada taught us to understand what is Radharani's position. That even Krishna, Jayadev Goswami, when he was compiling the Gita Govindam, Smaragara Khandanam Mama Shirasi Mandanam. You know that shloka? So he was writing one shloka in the Gita Govinda where he was stating that right now Radharani is very upset from Krishna और उनको मान हो गया है and she is very angry. So in order to pacify Shama Sundar, in order to pacify Radharani, Sham Sundar is taking the lotus feet, the dust of lotus feet of Kishori ji and putting it on top of his head. So when Jayadev Goswami wrote this, he thought, excuse me, how can this be right? This is not right. Krishna is Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha, right? He is the supreme personality of Godhead. There is no one above. Hari bol, Hari bol. Arey bhaiya, 7:30. Oh bhai, Hari bol. 7:30 तक को जाने दो. I have 5 minutes. उसमें से तो 2 निकल गए ऐसे ही. हरे कृष्णा आप बोलो. I don't know, bro. We don't have time. Whatever, it has to be done very quick. Hare Krishna. Prabhu, can you please increase the volume a little bit? So he thought that I've done a mistake and there is no one above Krishna. So he left the shloka incomplete. And he went to take snan in Mahodadi. Krishna, Jagannath actually. It was I saw Jagannath ji and when I was taking his darshans, I thought I should also speak something on the glories of Jagannath. एक ही तो भगवान ऐसा है, there is only one Lord who does not even have eyebrows. No blinking, only staring at his devotees. Only one Bhagavan who has his hands towards you. Come, let me give you a hug. So such a merciful Jagannath is there. Jagannath came personally and he completed the shloka and he said, this is eternally true. I am always under the shelter, under the lotus feet of Radha. बरसाना में कहते हैं, सुनो बरसाने वाली गुलाम तेरो बनवारी. In Vrindavan, the Brajavasis sing, सुनो बरसाने वाली. O Queen of Barsana, O Queen of Vrindavan, Vrindavaneshwari, गुलाम तेरो बनवारी. यम ब्रह्म वरुणेन्द्र रुद्र मरुतास्तुवन्ति दिव्ययस्तवे वेदे सांगपद क्रमो उपनिषदे गायन्तु यम सामगा ध्यायानुवस्तत्कतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यम योगिनो. Even Yamaraj, even Surya, Chandra, Indra, even Lord Shiva, even Lord Ganesh, all the demigods are praying in the lotus feet of Krishna. All the sages are trying to meditate and bring Krishna in their dhyana in the form of Paramatma, and Krishna is not coming in front of them. And that Krishna is surrendered in the, his gulam, slave of Radharani. That is the position of Kishori ji. Radharani is just not Radhe Radhe. She is the boss of Krishna. Feminism बहुत चलता है कभी कभी. Feminism वाले बोलते हैं, how is God a male? Krishna. God is female. Prabhupada said, yes, you're right. God is female too. The Shakti portion of God is called Radha. Eko bahunam dadhati. Krishna is Eko, he is Ishwar, he is the topmost. But when that one becomes two, Eko bahunam, when he expands his Shakti, that Shakti is called Srimati Radha Rani Ki. So the feminine potency of God is Radharani. God to be God has to be male and he also has to be female. And that is when we say, very nice shloka comes, Radha Purna Shakti, Krishna Chaitanya Charitamrita. Radha Purna Shakti, Krishna Purna Shaktiman. Dhru Vastu Vedanahi Ei Shastra Praman. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami says, Radha Purna Shakti hai and Krishna Shaktiman hai. In dono mein bhed nahi hai. There is no difference between Radha and Krishna. Krishna is Radha, Radha is Krishna. That's why you see, if Radharani is a devotee, she is the topmost devotee, right? But Radharani, when she is standing next to Krishna, she is not standing like this. Chod mein rehni hai. Either you will see Radharani like this, or either you will see Radharani like this. Because she is Krishna. वो Krishna ही है. She is the feminine potency of Krishna. तो Radha, Purna Shakti. How can there be sun without sunlight? Prabhupada's classical example. How can there be sun without sunlight? And how can there be sunlight without sun? Shri Radha Shyam Sundar ki Jai. Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Maharani ki Jai. Shri Gaur Nitai ki Jai. Prabhupada ki Jai. I was about to say Aaj ke Anand ki Jai also. 2 more minutes is there. So there cannot be any sun without sunlight. There cannot be any sunlight without sun. There cannot be any Krishna without Radharani. There cannot be any Radharani without Krishna. That is why Prabhupada said, don't just chant Radhe, Radhe. It is good to chant Radhe, Radhe, but when you chant Radharani's name without Krishna, Vaishnavas means the worshippers or the devotees of Vishnu. And then we have, yes, in the middle we have first Vaishnavas, and then we also have Krishnas, who are called the worshippers of Krishna. And then we have Gaudiya Vaishnavas, who are the worshippers of Radha and Krishna. Who are we? And what did Prabhupada teach us? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sometimes there are people back in India, they chastise ISKCON devotees. अरे तुम राधे राधे नहीं बोलते हो. अरे हम राधे राधे नहीं बोलते हैं. हम राधे राधे भी बोलते हैं, लेकिन हम राधा रानी का नाम अकेला नहीं बोलते हैं. We don't chant Radha Rani's name alone. We chant Radha and Krishna's name together. Because that is what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us. Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Sakshat Radharani and Sakshat Krishna. Radha plus Krishna equals to. So Radharani is telling us to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and Krishna is personally telling us to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. All the Acharyas, Sri Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, all the Goswamis chanted Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Never underestimate the power of one Hare Krishna Mahamantra. It's not mantra, it is the Mahamantra. So that is the first point I wanted to clear, that Radharani is just not an ordinary girl. ये कोई ऐसी सखी, कोई लाडली, कोई ये प्यारे नाम है राधारानी को बोलने के लिए, लेकिन हमें तत्व से जानना है. We should know by philosophy what is Radharani. She is a direct expansion of Krishna. She is Krishna himself, herself. Look at this shloka from Gopal Tak Upanishad says, Tasya Prakriti Radhika. Perfect one shloka for all those people who consider Radharani be too inferior to Durga Maiya. Some people are there out there who feel Radharani तो बस सखी है वृंदावन में, वो तो कृष्ण की कोई वो सखी हुई है, प्रेमिका हुई है. प्रेमिका नहीं है वो, प्रेमिका है लीला में, लेकिन तत्व से वो पूरे ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति, आदि शक्ति है. She is the Adi Shakti. Any Shakti, whether it's Durga Maiya, whether it's Lakshmi Maiya, whether it's Parvati Maiya, सभी शक्तियां श्रीमती राधारानी से आ रही है. They're coming from Radharani. हमारे शास्त्र कह रहे हैं, गोपाल ताप उपनिषद, I'm quoting from scriptures, तस्य प्रकृति राधिका नित्य निर्गुणा यस्य अंशे लक्ष्मी. अंशे means part and parcel. यस्य अंशे लक्ष्मी. लक्ष्मी भी किसकी अंश है? और दुर्गा आदि के शक्तियां, दुर्गा, लक्ष्मी और जितनी भी शक्तियां हैं, तस्य प्रकृति राधिका, ये सब श्रीमती राधा रानी की ही पावर एक्सपेंशन है. That is Radharani. Who is Radharani? Nitya Nirguna. Now when you will say Nirguna, means she does not have a form. No. Nirguna means Radharani is above Tamagun, Rajagun and Satagun. Nitya means Shashvat. That is Srimati Radharani. One name of Radharani is Adya. क्या नाम है? क्या नाम है? Adya. The Adya means Adi Shakti. When Krishna comes in the form of Krishna, Radharani appears. When Krishna is appearing as Narayan, Radharani takes the form of Lakshmi. When Krishna is appearing as Ram, Srimati Radharani is coming as Sita Maiya. When Krishna is Dwarkadish, it is only Radharani who is Rukmini Maiya, who is Satyabhama, who is everyone. Yamuna Maiya is also Radharani. If you go completely in depth and you read Jiva Goswami. So that is the first point, and I think I have to stop here because it's 7:30. The next point, because Madhupati Prabhu ने green signal दे दिया है. हरि बोल बोलो मधुपति प्रभु के लिए हरि बोल. It has to be very loud, then he can feel confident. Say Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Can you please chant Hare Krishna once? I need to drink little water. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, actually our situation is very hopeless. We are now stuck in the material world, very distracted, sometimes not able to continuously chant, continuously perform our sadhana bhakti. We are committing offenses here and there, even towards the Vaishnavas. Even though having tilak, even having kanthimala, we still become aggressive, lusty, proud, envious, jealousy. Even me. We are all practicing devotees. We should always remember we are not pure devotees. We are. If we have this mood that we are practicing devotees, then there is space for improvement. The day we think, अरे एक ही तो भक्त है यहाँ पर, नहीं तो अरे ये सब छोटे डिवोटी हैं, जूनियर. So, very sweet Leela just came in my mind, prompt, so Radharani wants me to speak it, I'm going to speak it. Once even Lakshmi Maiya came to see Radharani's beauty. She heard Radharani is so beautiful, she's so beautiful. Who is this Radharani? I need to see her. So she left Vaikuntha and she came down. She came down to Braj. ब्रह्म मुहूर्त का समय था, कार्तिक का मास था. कार्तिक किसका महीना है? राधा रानी का. So it was Kartik Mas, and Lakshmi came seated on an elephant. And Kishori ji, she just had a snan from Yamuna Maiya. No makeup. Just normal si Braj ki sakhi. And our scriptures say, you collect all the Lakshmis in Vaikuntha. How many Lakshmis? Lakshmi sahastra satatam brahmasevyamhanam govindamani purusham tamaham bhajami. When I am saying Lakshmi, Lakshmi does not mean एक ही Lakshmi है और वो पूजा कर रही है भगवान की. There are सहस्त्र, thousand, millions of Lakshmi in waiting list. Waiting list में. To do what? Just to do sweeping in Vrindavan. Lakshmi is still doing tapasya to enter actually in Vrindavan. What is the place called? Anyone knows? Belwan. Next time when you go to Vrindavan town, where will you go also? Belwan. So Lakshmi ji, it is said you take all the Lakshmis, all the beauty of the Lakshmis, they are not even, dhyan se sunna, they are not even equal to a grass, a blade of grass, to the beauty of Radharani. And then you take all the beauty of all the gopis. How many gopis are there? 10,000 and crore. You take the beauty of all the 10,000 crore gopis and you take them all together. Sari beauty ikakthi kar lo. That is not even equal to the beauty of the nose ring that Srimati Radharani is wearing. The spark that is coming out of Radharani's nose ring, all this beauty is not even equivalent to that much beauty. Imagine how beautiful Radharani must be. That is why one time Srila Prabhupada asked all his devotees, who is supreme? Who is the controller? Who is the supreme authority? And everyone said, Krishna. Prabhupada said, you all are wrong. Srimati Radharani is the supreme controller. Why? Because Krishna is Madhan Mohan, but Radharani is Madhan Mohan Mohini. Krishna who attracts millions of cupids, Kishori ji just by doing Krishna का हो गया काम, finished, खत्म. Krishna loses it. So that one more leela has come in between. We will complete this. Let me just tell you quickly. One time there was a rift between the Sakhis and the Gopas. All the Sakhis says, Lalita Sakhi said, बहुत हो गया ये. Krishna का ज़्यादा हो रहा है यहाँ पे वृंदावन में. There is no king in Vrindavan. There is only queen. Shri Vrindavaneshwari, Srimati Radha Rani ki. So all Lalita, Vishaka, all the Sakhis, they brought Kishori ji. And they sat her on a Vyasasan, like on a crown, beautiful crown. They started putting mehndi on her hands and alta on her lotus feet. They're decorating Radharani, and now we're going to proclaim Radharani to be the queen. So these sakhas, Madhumangal, Stoka Krishna, Subal, Sridham, inko pata lag gaya. And they said, oh my God, Krishna's power is in danger. They all went running to see what's going on. And bahar khadi hui thi wahan sakhiyan. They changed themselves into some sakhis. And अंदर जाके बोले, the Sakhis recognized their voice. Like बोलते ये तो आदमी जैसी आवाज आ रही है. Some mannish voice. They understood this is just Sudama. This is Madhumangal. They took up sticks, मार के भगा दिया. Beat them up. They went back crying, Krishna, you're gonna be kicked out from Vrindavan. They're making Radharani the queen. Who is that? Balaram got serious. Our Krishna is the king of Vrindavan. Jaldi aa Krishna. They also sat Krishna on the Vyasasan. We are going to proclaim Krishna as the king. Now Krishna is seated now, and now they're decorating Krishna with peacock feather, and now mantra uchcharan ho rahe hain, everything is going on. Lalita Sakhi got to know that he's Sakha. They're trying to proclaim Krishna as the king of Vrindavan. She got very, very angry. She said, let's take Radharani, take Kishori ji, and all the Sakhis, danda le lo haath mein. मार के लालच कर देंगे इनको. Take 6. We're not going to beat them. But. Lalita Sakhi said to all the other Sakhis, just put some flowers on the sticks. Because if Radharani sees Krishna is being too much beaten up, she will feel hurt. So just cover them with flowers. Now imagine all the Sakhis, they're taking sticks and going where Krishna was. Ideally, what should be? Raja to Raja hai na? Raja should be sitting like this. As soon as Krishna saw Radha Rani came, वो तो भूल गया वो राजा है. He just stood up, hey Radhe! अरे भाई तू राजा है तो मैं चुपचाप. Krishna could not control himself. He went running towards Radharani. Shri Vrindavaneshwari ki! And he paid dandavat pranam to Balaram. ने बोला इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. We are fighting for the wrong guy. And that is when Radharani was proclaimed as the queen of Vrindavan. That is Leela. See, when you're talking about Tattva, there is no one above Krishna. Ekala Ishvara Krishna Ara Savabhratya. There is only Krishna and everyone is just inferior. That is philosophy. When it comes to Leela, Krishna wants to be the servant of the servant of the servant of the servant of his devotees. And that is the mood of Srimati Radharani. We have no hope actually. Krishna sees qualification. Krishna sab kuch check karenge. What time we are completing our rounds? Are we reading Prabhupada's books daily? Are we following the regulatory principles? Krishna will keep a check on everything. So I often say, Krishna sees qualification and Srimati Radharani sees disqualification. Can you imagine how merciful Radharani is? Now we are talking about Karunamayi. First we talked about the power of Radharani. Now we are talking about the Karunamayi, Kripamayi, Meri Dayamayi Radhe. How merciful is Radharani? Radharani will not see any disqualification. Our situation is hopeless, but in that word hopeless, there is still some hope. And that hope is Radharani. Why is Radharani standing like this? I was taking darshans of your Kishori ji today. You see Radharani's hand is not like this. I saw Radharani's hand is like this, na? One time one devotee asked, and this is my final point for today's class. maybe next time when Madhupati Prabhu allows me, we can share some more glories. One time, one devotee asked Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada, why is Radharani's hand like this in Sri Vrindavan now? If you see Radharani is standing like this. Prabhupada became very emotional and Prabhupada said, Radharani is so merciful, she is so merciful. Her heart is overwhelmed with love for the devotees that whenever she sees even one candidate, even one person come towards Shyam Sundar, she instantly says to Shyam Sundar, my dear Shyam Sundar, see, one devotee has come, he is much better than me in bhakti. Please accept him, isko apna lo. That is Radharani. And when Radharani says, isko apna lo, Shyam Sundar is in the corner, he is taking care of Sarva Dharman Parityaja, Mamekam Sharanam Braja. No, he is not completely surrendered. Excuse me, Kishori ji, he didn't even chant one round today. Arey, I just saw double tadka pyaj ka mara isne. Arey, Radha Kishori ji, Vrindavaneshwari, he just had a vodka. Yes, Prabhu. And Radharani will say, मैं कह रही हूँ ना, श्याम सुंदर, आई एम टेलिंग यू, वैसे भी कोई नहीं आता तेरे पास. Anyways, no one is coming, very few people. Why are you letting them go? Kindly accept. And Srila Prabhupada says, if you try to approach Krishna directly, you might be rejected. But if you take shelter in the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani, even Krishna cannot reject you. Even Krishna cannot reject you. So this Radhashtami, which is coming on the 31st of August, Radharani represents devotion, extreme level of devotion. Radha comes from Aradhana. Her whole existence is about service. Her life and soul, her words, her actions, her behavior, her thoughts is only for the pleasure of Krishna and for the service of Krishna. So this Radhashtami, we are going to celebrate for sure, but let our actions, let our words, let our thoughts always be engaged in the service and for the pleasure of Shri Shri Radha Shyam Sundar. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Jai Gaura Premanande. Please don't leave. I often, if Prabhuji allows me, take some photos and some group photo. I can also have it as a memory. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Do it after announcement.
Yeah.